So, what's up? My name is Talha and you're watching Gadgets Sphere. This is the most awaited video of my channel, the best custom ROM for the Poco X3 Pro. And you know what? These videos actually take up a lot of time to make. I have to actually test out each ROM and tell you about its good and bad things as well. And that's the main reason I take up a lot of time testing the ROMs before giving you my suggestions. Because you know what? I don't want your GB data or even your time to be wasted. So now, if you are new here, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe, and let's get started. So starting off with the best custom ROM for the Poco X3 Pro part 3. And you know what, after this I'm going to start a best gaming ROM for the Poco X3 Pro, and also in 3 parts as well. Now those videos is only for those who love gaming, who wants the best performance, the best kernel. So that video is going to be for you guys. But if you are looking for an overall ROM which has great stability, great gaming, and also some good camera support, like camera Gcam support, then this video is for you. So now let's start with the number 1 ROM in our list, and that is Hydrogen OS. Hydrogen OS is number 1 on my list. It is on the top, because of few reasons. First of all, Hydrogen OS is awesome in terms of its smoothness. It's really smooth. Like every app you open, everything you do, like play games, do whatever you want, you will never ever feel any lag. Let's talk about its performance. In terms of the performance, Hydrogen OS is a mixed batch. Like it gives 90 FPS in BGMI by default. You don't need to worry about its gameplay. It is gonna be super duper smooth. So for those of you who are looking for a best gaming ROM for this Poco X3 Pro, actually Hydrogen OS is still on the top of the list because of the fact it's not Gladiator OS type. And yes, I have also tried Gladiator OS. Now let's talk about the Gladiator OS. What are the things which I absolutely love, and there are some things which I absolutely hate in that as well. Now I have tried the 2 versions of the Gladiator OS. Number 1, which we have the normal version. It is for normal usage. And then we have the esports version. Now the esports version nowadays is gaining a lot of popularity. Many people were saying in Andro Guruji videos also to test those out. So I found out like, okay, let's just test myself and tell you guys about it. So yeah, that ROM, like the normal ROM which I tried, was awesome. It has some good features. I'm very happy with it. Like obviously that is also MIUI based, and you know what, MIUI lags everywhere. Do whatever you want. But there's a big difference between MIUI and this Gladiator OS, and that is the fact that MIUI lags everywhere, be it gaming, be it normal social media, or be it browsing Chrome. But Gladiator OS does not lag in gaming. It's super duper smooth. Play any game you want, you will never have any experience of lag in the Gladiator OS. Be it BGMI, be it Call of Duty, everything is super duper smooth in Gladiator OS, and that is basically my favorite feature. Like yes, finally we got a ROM which can play games in super duper smoothness. So that's really awesome. Now talking about the third ROM which I've tried, that is Arrow OS Android 12. And man, I'm really disappointed. Like don't get me wrong, Android 11 Arrow OS is really awesome. Everything is super smooth. I have tried that as well, but since I moved on to the Arrow OS 12, Android 12, super duper bad. Like everything is very disappointing. Nothing is good. I mean, scrolling to just opening settings is very laggy. Animations are not smooth, they're not polished yet. And yes, I get it, it's Android 12, it's new right now, they're trying their best to give us the latest update, and that is what I appreciate the most. Like iOS is always on the first to give new updates. That's really awesome. So now after all of these 3 ROMs, I have tried the last ROM, and that's still my favorite. Like this video, after watching this video, if you can't decide, I can't help you, because yeah, you can watch the other videos as well, in which I'm going to do a full review of the Hydrogen OS as well as the best gaming ROM for the Poco X3 Pro in 3 parts. But the final ROM which I have tried, which I have loved, and which I still love, is the Pixel Experience Plus. No ROM comes close to this. Super duper amazing. Like literally the performance is way better than even like MIUI. The performance is very good. Smoothness is awesome. Stability is the main point why I got this ROM. And yeah, in terms of stability, it's super awesome. I have never even encountered a single frame drop in the Pixel Experience Plus. And that's a work to mark. So that's pretty much it for today's video. What do you think about this video? Tell me in the comments below. Hope you got your answer, and we will see you in the next one. Peace out.